Hi, I'm Dr. Jack Brazel at 123 Dental, and I'd like to talk to you today about tooth whitening. So there are two different options for tooth whitening at 123 Dental. The first one is what we call take-home whitening. This involves us taking some impressions or moulds of your teeth and making some custom fitting trays that we give you along with some bleach, and for 2 weeks overnight, every night at home, you wear these trays with the bleach in. The beauty of this is that every day they just get progressively whiter and you're in control of how white they go. You might decide you only want to do it for a week if you just want that little bit of a touch up, or you can go for the full 2 weeks to get the maximum whiteness. The other alternative is in-chair whitening. This involves us also making those trays that we made for the take-home kit, but you do 90 minutes in the chair first with a really strong bleach that we have. You get to watch Netflix and relax for those 90 minutes, and at the end of it we'll send you home with the take-home kit to do it for a week at home. They both end up getting the same result, you just get a faster result with the in-chair whitening. It's a really popular system. The downsides to it, if there are any, is that you may get some sensitivity for both options, but that's something we can talk to you about when you come in for your consultation. So if you have any more questions, then don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.